The biggest goal of Facebook creators is to get monetized on Facebook, and in this video I'm going to be sharing you some settings you need to turn on your Facebook account or your Facebook page so that you can get invitation you have been looking for on Facebook very fast without burning your time up on Facebook. I just want to quickly show you how to get monetized very fast, and here is how to do it. I will be showing you two settings you need to turn on your Facebook profile so that you can get monetized very fast. And the first thing you need to do is to have a page. Now, if you don't have a page, you can watch one of my video on how to create a page. Before you can start making money on Facebook, you need to actually have a page where you'll be posting your content, and Facebook is going to get you monetized and you get paid for the content you are posting on Facebook. And Facebook has actually made it easy for everybody to have a presence online, to have a presence on their platform. So if you don't have a page, you can actually convert your Facebook profile into a professional mode where you're actually going to be getting paid for all the content you are posting on your Facebook profile. Now let me first show you how to turn on professional mode on your Facebook profile. The first thing to do is to go to your profile, and on your profile you are going to see these three dots, and once you click on it you are going to scroll down, and then you will see turn on professional mode. If you are not turning on, you can see I've already turned it on before, and that is why it is showing turn off professional mode. Now if I turn it off now, they are going to tell me, do you want to turn on your professional mode? And then I turn it off. You understand? Now they say if I want to turn off professional mode, ad is going to stop running on my page and on my profile, and I won't be any money again. So I'm not going to turn it on now, but on your own case, if you have not turned on professional mode before, it's going to actually bring it here to turn it on. And once you turn it on, you have already converted your Facebook profile into a page, and where you will be sharing your content. Henceforth, you are going to be getting paid for your content. And guess what, you need to meet some criteria before you can get monetized on Facebook. And if you are using Facebook page for your content, or you've already turned on your professional mode, this is the second settings you need to actually do so that you can get the invitation very fast. And this setting might have been hurting your page since all this while, you might not know, and that is why I bring it here so that you can see the settings. And once you are on the page, then you go to your profile. Once you click on your profile, go to professional dashboard. Once you go to professional dashboard, you are going to scroll down, and once you scroll down, click on settings. Once you click on settings, then you scroll down to a page setup, and on this page setup you will see this page type. You will see your page name, your username, then the page access. That is basically who you can give access to, and then you will see the next one here is page type, and this page type is what is going to let Facebook invite you to the content monetization program very fast. Once you click on the page type, you will see business and creator, and for business it is suitable for business that sell products or services, non-profit and other organization. If that is the type of page you run, then you can click on business and set your page to a business page. But if you are a creator wanting to get monetized on Facebook and start earning Facebook money, then you need to click on this creator. You need to switch your page to creator, and you can see they said it is best for content creator, public figure and other businesses who seek to monetize their original content. Once you set this to your page, you are going to click on next to save it, and you can see they said a creator page can help you achieve your goal, insights to help you grow, get paid for your quality content, and nurture and engage community. So that means you are going to get access to the content monetization program very fast once you set your page to a creator page. Once you save it, just keep posting your content. Facebook is going to accept you, or they are going to send you an invitation to the content monetization program. These tips I showed you have already worked for me, and I've used it to monetize one of my page, and they are making me a lot of money currently. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you are new here on this channel, my name is Michael, and thanks for coming to watch my video. And if you are returning subscribers, thanks for coming back always to watch my video, and I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you.